Hello friends, my name is Ramasud. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how to achieve project objectives. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, and today we'll see this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start, friend. How to achieve project objectives? Friend, first of all, you should have to establish a project details and objective. That means whatever you are going to implement, you should have a detailed objective in your mind or written format, that what you are going to achieve actually. The objectives of a project, whichever you are going to implement, it should be properly documented, properly communicated, and properly well understood. Whatever you are going to implement, it should be well understood that what are the objective, what are the goals which you want to achieve from the project. First of all, the understanding about the goals and objectives should be very clear. Then the next point is that analyze the project and team requirement. Team requirement means, friend, that whatever the things which are required for a team or for a project. For example, you need hardware, you need software, you need human resources. So you should have to analyze it properly and arrange it properly. Like for example, you need at least three skilled resources for the implementation of a project. So you should have to first of all analyze three resources, four resources, and you should have to arrange it. This is very necessary for the implementation and to achieve the objective of a project. Then define the project milestones. Milestones means, friend, that uh, any specific activity or any specific day at which your specific work complete. For example, let's suppose the completion of software development. This is a milestone. Completion of UAT. This is a milestone. Production deployment. This is a milestone. Production cutover. This is a milestone. Scope document sign off, this is a milestone. So you should have to define the milestones properly in your project, and you should have to track it properly. Then the other thing is that maintain open communication. That means you should have to talk with everyone. The other person should be feel feasible, should feel comfortable to talk with you. You should, as a project manager, you should have to conduct the status meetings, talk with them. When people talk with you and you talk with them, so obviously communication channels will open and things will resolve. So communication is the key to achieve the project objective. Then the next point is that measure and monitor performance. Friend, as a project manager, your monitoring and controlling skills should be very excellent. See, you should be able to you conduct the status meetings, steering committee meetings. Uh, you should be able to conduct the meetings internally with your internal stakeholders, with customers, with the senior management from your side or from customer side. So you should able to monitor and control or track the progress. You can also use some sort of softwares like Jira, Microsoft Project Plans, etc. So nowadays many softwares are available. You can use those softwares as well to track the progress or performance of your project team. Then avoid project scope deviations. Friend, many time it happens that we are implementing projects and customer is adding extra scope in the project, and if you don't have the signed scope of work, so many remember that a scope creep is the must have the thing. It will happen that things will deviate, the scope will deviate. So whatever the scope signed off, for example, if four modules are signed off to deliver, so you have to deliver only the four modules. You don't need to go for a five module. If someone says that if customer says that he needs a fifth module as well, so you should be able to say no to him, or you can consider it as a change request. Manage and evaluate the project risk. At the very earliest stage of a project, you should be able to evaluate and document the risk. Not only the risk, you should be able to do the response planning of those risks as well. If that risk occur, so how would you handle it, and you should be able to do the response planning and assign it to some resource as well. Test the project delivery. This is very important, friend. Whatever the project you have developed, you should be able to test it properly in your environment, that either things are going well or not. If things are not good, you should be able to change it, and this as per the scope of document, as per the scope of the project, all things should be properly tested and test script should be prepared accordingly. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.